Hey, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, March 14th. The SPY had a pretty narrow range today, low volume. Let me slide this over. You guys know the deal, right? We're day traders, but we start with the daily chart to find in-play stocks. That's the synopsis of it. If you haven't seen that, pause the video and read it. I'm going to slide this up, VRM PBW, which, as I wrote down here, stands for pullback watch. If you didn't make it to chat today, I called VRM after it got this upside shape as a fives buy zone idea. And right in that circle, you guys know the fives buy zone, right? Between the 8 and the 20. And the mid buy zone is where I usually bid. I'm embarrassed to say I bid too low. I bid closer to the 520, but somewhere around, I don't know, 1475 was probably the mid buy zone. And would have held the stop, which is below the 520. So, I mean, right there in the middle, if you got that, and I know a couple of you did because you thanked me in chat, went from the 1475 area all the way to 2222. To me, even though I bid too low, it's a testament to the power of the fives buy zone and, you know, waiting and making sure that you have a chart that is that makes sense for it, right? That's something having a powerful move, shorts are getting slapped, right? And then you bid in that buy zone. So, that was a nice one. And then I want to give a hat tip to Ramesh, who gave the 6 idea. You see, he typed in chat, took that from the chat room, BMR6, which I think it had come right up to it, pulled back, and you had yesterday's high above, right? So you had stacked catalyst, you had a whole number inflection point. The 6 break took you to 745 on, I think, less than 20 cents risk or something. So another great post by Ramesh as well. There's a couple of highlights from today. I thought those were both really nice. And let's go right into it. What I'm watching for tomorrow, MINM. You still kind of picture a trend line. Actually, from here to here, I mean, it's kind of coiling, right? If we break over today's high tomorrow, and today's high was 696. So, you know, get through 7, you got another catalyst, potential catalyst right there, and it's a tiny float, so it could squeeze. I think it's worth having on a chart. HOLO. You kind of, this, it's tough to see. I got to zoom in. And then you can kind of see the big volume in the last couple days. It's worth having on watch. Gave a good setup today. PACK had the pop yesterday. Inside day today. Looking for a possible third day play. SIGA, SIGA, also up near breakout territory. But it's come a long way to get there. I think that sucker needs to rest. But it goes on the watch list anyway. Already talked about BMR. Kind of broke out of this little tight range here on the daily. A little extra volume. Great call by Ramesh today. Could continue tomorrow, so it makes the watch list. LSF. Big rip today. I'm a day trader. I'm going to watch it. VRM. This one I put on the list before the market closed. Part of the reason for the run-up apparently was because they had earnings in after hours. And right now in after hours, it's trading at 1620. So maybe earnings disappointed. I don't know. But makes me like it less now. BZ, also a big rip yesterday, inside day today, possible third day play there. BLNK, it's just coiling, but it had a little extra volume today, up over this horizontal line, then maybe you take out this recent high. And so we'll see. I think somebody said they had earnings coming up, though, so I'm not sure about that one. This is my favorite one right here, is CXAI. Love, love, love this chart. Put the horizontal line there. And I can't remember now. The 200 days over. It's 4 something, I think. It's I don't have it on this chart. You know what? I'm going to pause the video and get you more info. All right, so I misspoke. It's 383. Right here, it hit 345, and again here, and again here. So certainly interesting over 345, and that might be enough to get to 383. And sometimes when you get momentum, you can just rip right through the 200 day also. So I like the look of this chart a lot. And it's in the AI space. Real REAL just goes back on bounce watch. We just got another red day on even lower volume. Just looking for one of my bounce play setups. Did not get it in REAL today, so it goes back on watch for tomorrow. And then MRVL, one of the chip stocks, just straight down for 4 days in a row. I think it's overdue for a bounce. So that's just on snapback bounce watch. Again, only with a proper intraday A+ setup. All right, I'm done babbling. See you guys in the chat room in the morning. Have a great night.